Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix the black screen issue on Samsung phones. We will use two methods to solve this problem. Method 1. Charging the phone. The first method is to plug your phone into a charger. First, connect a charging cable to your phone and plug it in. Give it about 15 to 20 minutes and let the phone charge. Many times the black screen occurs due to battery or charging issue. Once the phone is charged, hopefully your problem will be resolved. Method 2. Force restart. If the first method doesn't fix the issue, don't worry. Now try the second method, which is to force restart the phone. Locate the power button and the volume down button on your phone. On some phones they are both on the right side, while on other they might be split between the right and left side. Once you found both buttons, press and hold them down together for about 10 to 20 seconds. While holding them down, a restart menu might briefly appear on the screen. Do not let go, keep holding them down. After holding for a bit, the screen will go completely black and then the Samsung logo will appear. Keep holding the button until you see the logo. As soon as the Samsung logo appears, you can release your finger from the power button and the volume down button. Now just wait for the phone to completely reboot. Once the phone restarts, your problem should be completely solved. As you can see, it's very easy to fix the seemingly complex issue. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well and take care. Bye.